Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Environmental Auditing. It is 2 credits course. In this course, we will cover practical or hands-on exercises like prepare a working plan in the form of a flowchart, the graphical abstract for the environmental audit of any organization, institution focusing on pre-audit, on-site and post-audit objectives and activities. Prepare a brief profile of any selected organization, institution, area, land use, green cover, organizational setup, demography, etc., and discuss its environmental policy and the environmental management systems. Prepare an interpretive electricity consumption report of the organization, institution, over a 5-year period. Both actual or arbitrary data can be used. Prepare an interpretive water consumption report of the organization, institution, over a 5-year period. Both actual or arbitrary data can be used. Also, identify the sources of wastewater discharge and its management, if any. Survey the campus and prepare a list of the plant or animal, or both, diversity, highlighting its importance and threats faced. Prepare a monthly air quality level dataset nearest to the institution's location, extracting data from the National Air Quality Index, CPCB, website. Prepare a report on causes of variation and measures taken by an organization to improve air quality levels. Prepare a comprehensive assessment report of solid waste management at the organization, institution highlighting compliance to solid waste management rules, 2016. Formulate a scientifically sound protocol for identifying and disposing of e-waste and hazardous waste at any organization based on e-waste management rules, 2016, and hazardous waste management rules, 2016. Examine various environment-related practices and activities of the organization, institution, that have impacted the neighboring communities, and prepare a social audit questionnaire for studying the impact. Compile the data, results, and analysis of all previous practicals, and prepare a detailed environmental audit report of your selected organization, institution. Teaching learning interface for practical skills. To impart training on technical and analytical skills related to the course objectives, a wide range of learning methods will be used, including laboratory practicals, fieldwork exercises, customized exercises based on available data, survey analyses, and developing case studies, demonstration and critical analyses, and experiential learning individually and collectively. Prospective sectors: universities or colleges, environmental consultancies, environmental NGOs, and Indian audit and revenue departments. Hope it's helpful.